Hello, viewers. Welcome again. This is Paige Betan TV, and today I have a very useful video for you, a very helpful video for you that can help somebody out there, yourself, a family member, or somebody who doesn't know what they can do on YouTube today and makes money out of it. Now, I have some points written down here from my fellow content creators. It's a summary of what we could gather, the best points we can share with you. You can figure out what you can do without spending any money, how you can venture into YouTube and actually reap something, actually make something out of it. First of all, YouTube, the content that are shared on YouTube mostly are in entertainment, food, gaming, beauty and sport, fashion, science and technology, and travel. So if you are not going to do anything in regards to what is popularly shared, you can actually start doing other content that doesn't require you to have money, but you can just get started and you can see results. Now, I'll start by saying you can give entrepreneur tips to people to start small businesses. You can share with them these ideas for beginners without spending any money. Just with your camera, you can give out these tips if you have them, and you will start reaping something from there. Somebody else was sharing, you can be giving health tips. People like to hear about health. If you have a background in health, you can share these tips out. You don't have to spend any money. You just have to share from the education that you have, from the knowledge that you have gained. Share these tips out. People love to hear information that is valuable, information that is helpful. So when you do this, you'll be earning something out of the YouTube. Somebody else was saying you can be doing motivational talks, advising people, guiding people, counseling people, and you're just doing it by your camera. Whether you're using your smartphone or whatever kind of camera you need, you don't need to invest so much. You just need to give information that you know, motivate people. People nowadays are so discouraged. Give them motivational, give them a plan on how to do things, and you are going to be reaping big on YouTube. Somebody else was saying you can do your videos of things that you like to do, the video of a good videos of things that you love to do. Whatever you like to do, you can start doing those videos. They can take you some hits that you never know. So go ahead and get started. I heard somebody was saying you can start doing the reaction videos from other content creators, or start doing podcasts. This thing, you don't have to have your own, you don't have to invest so much into doing this. However, it can help you big time. You don't have to get worried what to do on YouTube. And then bottom line, someone was saying you just have to be determined, plan ahead, and know where you are going. So if you follow this, you might get started today. Kindly share this video out. You can help somebody who is stuck there. They don't know what to do with their lives. You just need to take a step and figure out if you have knowledge into this motivational speaking, entrepreneurship in business, if you can guide people, counsel people. If you can figure out about the reaction videos on how you can use other people's content, and actually go ahead and do so. So these are just few tips that can help somebody out there. Go ahead and share this video out. I'll really appreciate. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, I do appreciate your subscription. If you've been following me, I greatly appreciate you. See you next time, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.